Welcome to this video on list slicing and list comprehension. My name's Andy Wicks, and in this video we're going to look at two techniques that are really useful and that Python makes extremely easy. We're going to use this particular list of 11 items here. They're ages, say, from 23 to 49, and there are all sorts of ages in between. Now let's have a look and see how we can slice this up. A slice is where we take a section of the list and use only that. And we can use that section for all sorts of things. We could use it just as a section because we're interested only in those items, or we could use it as part of a for loop. In this snippet of code, we're telling it to get the ages from position 2 to position 6. That's 5 ages. And we're going to put that in a sublist called sublist of ages. And then we're going to print out that sublist. So what it's doing here is getting a slice of the list ages. Now let's use that slice in a loop. All that's happening here is that we're taking a slice of ages from positions 2 to 6, exactly as we did before, and we're going to loop through those particular items, just printing out the ages, say. Again, we're going to use the trick of using the end clause to put a comma space instead of a line feed, so we can see all the items on one line. All we've got are the ages for that particular slice. Now let's have a look at list comprehensions. List comprehensions are a pretty neat trick in Python. If you have only one command underneath your for statement, you can put it all in one line and make the whole thing shorter and, more importantly, more readable. And we create the command we want done and then set up our for loop. So in this case we say for age in ages, and what we want you to do for each age is to print age times 365. In other words, approximately how old somebody is in days. And in one line we've got something that reads rather better. Print age times 365 for each age in ages is something that is a lot easier to understand. But we can make this a little more useful. We can use an if clause at the end of the list comprehension. So we can say if age is less than 30, and it will only print those numbers of days old for people whose age was given as being less than 30, in other words 29 or below. As you can see, we've got the same 4 items that we had above. So in this case we've got the number of days old that a person is, and that is quite useful.